Alright guys, back again. So if you're looking at the timing now, so there you go. It looks just a little bit off, just a little bit. And then here, is it not gonna show it? It's right there. Let's see where my finger is. Okay, well you can't see it, but anyway, there's a dot right there. It's behind this disc on the gear. Yep, right there. Let's see. Stupid. Anyway, wasting time with that, but anyway, if you're looking at that gear right here, there's a dot and it matches with this separation here. Then there's my 40-degree marker. And that matches with the there you go, with the notch on the block. I don't think it can get better than that. But yet, this to me looks pretty decent. And I can't see there's supposed to be one more dot here, but it's behind that, and yet I cannot see it. So I do not know. It might be behind that. And that's supposed to line up with this little separation crack there. So my next move is get to this side and see how this looks now. And then, you know, even though it says it's on this side, you know, when I listen with this stereoscope in there, you know, the noise comes from here, at least to me. More, I can hear it louder inside, you know, like right in here. Here it's pretty loud, and then, you know, I don't know. It's a lot of work. This is the harder part. This is the easier one. It's not like I choose it. That's what the scanner says. Yep. Yeah, but I took the belt off. I took this pulley, so this pulley and this pulley and the belt off. And much better. You can see much better this whatever balancer pulley.